Citrix Endpoint Management Review 2025, is it worth it? Managing devices and endpoints efficiently is critical for businesses in 2025, and Citrix Endpoint Management promises to make it easier, but is it worth it? Citrix Endpoint Management offers mobile device management, app delivery, and security compliance in one platform. Most people get this wrong. They assume it's just for its specialists, but it provides intuitive dashboards, reporting, and policy automation that save time and reduce errors. You won't believe what happens next. You can remotely deploy apps, enforce security policies, and monitor devices in real time, which is essential for hybrid and remote teams. The platform supports multiple operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, and Android, making it versatile for diverse workforces. Integration with Citrix Workspace and other enterprise tools allows seamless workflow management. Pricing is based on device count, which can be expensive for large teams, but the ROI comes from improved productivity, reduced security risks, and centralized control. So, is Citrix Endpoint Management worth it? For organizations with multiple devices and a need for strong security and compliance, absolutely. Smaller teams may find it more than they need. The surprising truth is that endpoint management isn't just about it, it's about protecting data, streamlining operations, and empowering employees to work safely from anywhere.